Hello students, welcome to science class. Today we will continue with third chapter synthetic fibers and plastics. And today's topic is types of plastics. Types of plastics. Depending upon their reactions to heat, plastics are categorized into two types, thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. First type is thermoplastic and second is thermosetting plastics. Now let us see what is the difference between these two. Thermoplastics are the plastic which can be easily bent on heating. Right, the plastic which easily bend or deform is on heating, that is known as thermoplastic. An example of thermoplastic is polythene and PVC. Right, now this thermoplastic, it is used for manufacturing toys, combs and various types of containers. On the other hand, there are some plastics which when molded once cannot be softened on by heating, and that is known as the thermosetting plastics. Right, what is thermosetting plastic? The plastic which do not get deformed or softened on heating. Now the question arises, why so? Why thermoplastic it bends easily on heating, and why thermosetting plastic it does not bend on heating? The reason is, beta, in thermoplastics polymer chains are not cross linked. Right, we yesterday we have studied that, see here, this is the arrangement of molecules in plastics. This is linear arrangement and this is cross-linked arrangement. In thermoplastics, the polymer chains, they are not cross-linked, means they have this linear type of arrangement. The arrangement is side by side and are not strongly linked to one another, and this makes them soft and stretchable. On the other hand, in thermosetting plastic, polymer chains are cross-linked. In thermosettings, polymer chains are this cross-link arrangements is there, and they have strong bonds between them. Thus, the chains does not don't pass among each other, and thermosetting plastics are hard and brittle. Right, now another difference is that thermoplastics, they are good conductors of heat because they easily melt on heating, bend on heating, so they are good conductors, as whereas thermosetting plastics, they are bad conductors of heat. Then example of thermoplastic is polythene and PVC. The full form of PVC is polyvinyl chloride, and example of thermosetting is bakelite and melamine. See here, bakelite and melamine. Now what is this bakelite? See beta, bakelite is poor conductor of heat and electricity, and it is used for making electric switches, handles of various utensils. For example, the fry pan handle, or where you used in cooking, the handles are made of thermosetting plastics, because on heat there is no effect on heating, they do not get bend or melt on heating, so it is made up of the special type of material called the bakelite. This question also come, name the plastic which is used for making kitchen appliances, so your answer will be bakelite. Then melamine, this melamine is a versatile material. It resists fire and can tolerate heat better than other plastics, and it is used for making floor tiles, kitchenware, fabrics which resist fire. Shows the various, this figure you can see this, it shows the various types of thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. You can see here, this is a thermosetting plastic, this electric board, and this one, this is the thermoplastics, buckets, toys, combs, containers, it is made of thermoplastics. And hardboards, electric switch, here electric switch, then handles of electrical appliances, handles of kitchen utensils, floor tiles, they are made up of thermosetting plastics.